So this is a topic Maddox Rod which has confused me very much, and that is why I wanted to share with everyone an easy way to understand it. So Maddox Rod is used to differentiate between basically esophoria or exophoria. That means if your eye is turned in or if it is turned out. Now with the help of some diagrams I will explain it to you. First things first, you see right eye, we have the red color rod cylinder on the right eye. It is always present on the right eye. You will see a lot of images on Google and other things where the rod will be placed on the left eye sometimes and right eye, but no, it is not a choice that we can place it wherever we want. Of course we can draw conclusions still, but by rule we place the rod on the right eye. That means your right eye will see a red color beam and your left eye it will see a dot. So now look at this. So here we have a point source. We have a point source, right? Good. Now this is your left eye, this is your right eye. We are looking at it from behind. So the light source come, it falls here, dot, it falls here, rod, and since they are both at the center and it is a normal eye, they will both overlap. Now look at this. So this is supposed to be how a normal eye is, and now this is, I will introduce you to the concept of similar points, and this will help you whenever you forget which esophoria, where the rod goes in esophoria and where the rod goes in exophoria. All you have to do is mark 3 points on retina, name the center A, to the left is X and to the right is Y. Now the concept is whenever a light falls on the same points of retina, that is A and A dash or X and X dash, you will not see things as two. That means, see, you have two eyes, you are looking at the screen, but why don't you see two screens instead? Why only you see one screen? That is because your brain, the same points will give information to the same part of the brain, so your brain will merge those images. So in this example you will see there is one tree. Actually I have drawn them separately, but this is only one tree, this is for representation purposes only. And since it is falling on the exact same spot on the both the retina, you will only see one tree. Now what happens when we rotate the eye? Let's rotate it like this. What is this, by the way? Is it esophoria or exophoria? This is exophoria. Very nice. Now you will see the A point has, because we have shifted it like this, the A point has moved that word, and to the left of the A is X and to the right of the A is Y. Now the tree is falling on Y. That is a different point from A. So that's why you will see two trees instead of one. Similarly, you turn the eye like this, and now the image falls on X, and again you will see two trees. Now look here. So a very beautiful thing about the eyes, you have two eyes and each eye has two part. The left part of this eye and the left part of this eye both look in the same direction and as well as the opposite. So all the information from the right side comes to the left hemiretinas of both the eyes. Similarly is true for that side. Everything now makes sense when you do the test. So let's say we have esophoria, right? Esophoria. Now where have we placed the rod? On the right eye. Now since this is turned in, the points will change such, and now the rod that was supposed to fall here will fall on A, and A is supposed to bring images from the right side, right? So you will see the rod to the right of the dot, and same is true for both esophoria. In both esophoria the rod will move to the right side. You can try doing this practice at home. And now for the exophoria. Now remember please that I have made these diagrams as a very big exaggeration. It is not like this word for word, but the concept is similar. Now, since the eye is turned out and it is falling on Y, which was supposed to be here, so your brain will think it is coming from this side. So the rod will be seen to the left of the dot. And that is how you differentiate between esophoria and exophoria.